From the Okta dashboard, go to the Applications section in the left menu bar and click on Applications. You can search Okta's app catalog for the AppSecEngineer integration. For this demo, we're also showing you what happens if AppSecEngineer doesn't appear in the list when you search for it. If it doesn't appear in the list, go back to the Applications page and click Create App Integration. Check the SAML 2.0 checkbox, then click Next. Enter the app name, in this case AppSecEngineer, and hit Next again. Our team will provide you with the single sign-on URL and the audience URI. Enter the remaining fields as shown here. You'll need to add more fields to your attribute statements by clicking Add Another. Finish up by clicking Next at the end of the page. Make sure you click the checkbox that says This is an internal app and then hit Finish. With this, you've successfully created the SSO integration. We'll require you to send us the metadata URL that appears here, which you can copy with a click. Users are usually assigned automatically, but just in case, we'll show you how to do that as well. Head back to the Applications page again, and you'll see the new AppSecEngineer app listed here. Go ahead and click on it. Here you'll see the list of users. Just click on the Assign button and you can assign users as individuals or to groups. To finish off, let's try signing in to AppSecEngineer with Okta SSO. Go to learning.appsecengineer.com and click on the option that says Sign in with Organization Login. Enter your email and click Continue. You'll be taken to your Okta sign-in page. Enter your details. Final step, complete the two-factor verification step with the Okta Verify app, and you're good to go. And just like that, you and your team have quick and secure access to AppSecEngineer. Happy learning!